Hi stars, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up an affordable ring light. I'm going to leave all the details about like how much the ring light costs, and I'm going to leave you guys a link on getting a more affordable ring lights. Like it's the same exact one but at a very much more affordable price. So let's get straight into setting up this ring light. Wait. Like a puppet on a string, you had this plan from the beginning. I know you made me into a villain. I hate you for every single thing you did. Now guys, so you might not be seeing my face at this one, but let's just focus on what we're about to do right now. Okay guys, so when you unscrew this one right here, it makes this open it and close it. Okay, so after that, what you're going to do next is to open this thing right here. Okay, now you're going to place this right on top of here. You're going to screw it in. Before you put on the ring glass, this stuff that is there, you're going to make it go down. Okay, and after that, you're going to go onto the ring light. Okay, I know the camera is getting higher and higher, but that's because obviously our ring light is getting taller and taller. So you're going to screw the ring light itself onto the screw stuff. Don't forget, everything you have to do it gently. This stuff right here, I don't know what to call it. I'm going to put it. This screw right here. We have the phone holder. So for this, you're going to remove this stuff. Okay. And then guys, so when you screw this in, this is to make sure that when you put your phone, like this stuff doesn't remove. Okay, and when you screw this in, just know that this stuff is going to get like really hard to like turn, like you cannot turn it. It's going to remain just in one place. Okay, so now we're going to test it out by putting one of my phone right here. You put the phone, you can screw this stuff right here, you can free it a little bit and position it the way you want to position it, screw it back in, and here is your ring light attached to your phone, just like that. Don't forget to screw this thing in, because if you don't screw it in and just put this older stuff just like that, your phone can literally fall. So that is just it. Done setting up the ring light, I'm going to show you guys how to operate some things in it, okay, real quick. So right here we have this bendy stuff. It's flexible, but it's not really that flexible too much. Don't bend it too much. Okay, now to this part, you see this ball stuff right here. So this is, it makes the ring light turning and screw it. Now let's continue with all the screws and what they are for, so you don't end up breaking or just like releasing anything by mistake and then your phone might end up falling down or something like breaking the process. So this screw right here, when you unscrew it this way, up and down, okay. So now the next screw we have right here is this. So when you unscrew this one, it brings out another level of like stick or whatever, just depending on how long you want this to be. Screw it in, it's going to stay and it's not going to go down or move up. Okay, guys, my bed is a mess right now, but anyway, I just like filming this on my bed because I'm always happy. So okay, so for this now, we have this extension right here. Now we're going to do this.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams? The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone.
So guys, that's all to it. That's all to setting up a ring light. If this video was helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe to this channel if you're new, and leave any of your comments, just your questions or whatever it is down in the comment section. And also do make sure to follow me at all or any, whatever, or I prefer you follow all of my social media handles is going to be in the description box. Okay, see ya, catch ya later.